welcome to town, take a look around. Now sir, put the money in my hand right now, cause right now's the time for that roulette spinning and talking, walking to women till I'm opening it. I'm using a pinch and a passion, rolling right up in the center with the dashy blowing on until they say I'm the winner if you dig it. Dug it while the blackjack is flipped in my black stack and chicks was 25%.
Let's go to Vegas, baby. Let's go tonight.
Let's go tonight.
Let's go to Vegas. We'll stay up all night. Let's go to Vegas, baby. Let's get away. Who wants to live forever when we can have the day? It's raining in the city. We got bills to pay. Packing up a suitcase. Let's take a holiday. Hop into a limo. Drive on through the night. The desert sky is cold, but the neon lights burn bright. Flying on a Friday. Rent that baby Benz. Taxi to the 15 West on Charleston. Shopping at the Forum, Versace and Bhutan. Honey, this is Vegas, so bring your credit card. Let's go to Vegas, baby. Let's go tonight. Let's go to Vegas. We'll stay up all night.
Alright.
Let's go to Vegas, baby. Let's get away.
Let's get away.
Who wants to live forever when we can have the day? Flying for the weekend, breathe that desert air. Found a love nation, I will take you there.
I'll take you
Up
there.
the Eiffel Tower, sipping on my time.
My time.
You deserve the finer things.
Hey.
Let's go roll the dice.
Soon as you see the neons, know that we on. Pop bottles with top models and the things you see me on. And we gone and force with hit from Miss Dion. And be gone again, I got things to spend cheese on this Vegas, man. We got to go, those $1,000 trips to the Bellagio. You got to know, is we throwing up cash out of the slide back room with the stash in the back. Hit the Venetian, tweaking, stack chips like ashes and crap rolling in winning again this actress. It's passing, asking who this cat is. Within an hour, got her backing on top of my mattress. This is how it goes, man. It's Vegas, dude. And the women sitting don't get what we make them do. Damn it, I'm wasted. But you know what they say, shit, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
Let's go to Vegas, baby. Let's go tonight. Let's go to Vegas. We'll stay up all night.
Alright.
Let's go to Vegas, baby. Let's get away.
Let's get away.
Who wants to live forever when we can have the day?
Say ya, me and my dudes at the Maria, chillin' and drink spillin'. So what you say, ma? Come down, women like Baywatch, roll the Doja in the poster of Oklahoma. So allow me to introduce the life. Money throwing and shots blowing, we're out all night. But in truth, all we do is gonna stay with me and you. They say Vegas is the city where your dreams come true.
You're about to get served. Recommend you surrender, or your feelings are about to get injured. You only got 3 chances to return to sender. So huddle up and throw some emergency measures into your conversation. You gon' respect this side of the net. Let's get on with the initiation. Yeah. Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down. We going for kills, not here for the thrills. Man, after this match, I'm talking about they may have to shut the beach down. Today, consider us your very strict parents, and you have disobeyed us. About to give you a reason to hate us. We gon' play true and false, you be the false. Because on this side of the fence, be a team full of true players. And me, I be the top swatter. The sun is out, the heat is on, and I'm only gon' make it hotter. Hope you got a lot of water in your squirt bottles. It help wash down all the sand that we about to make it swallow. Or better do a dance and hope it starts pouring down. Rain may be the only thing to save you a lot of pain. Twist and springs, we about to lay the smack down. Just letting you know before we start the game. Your team's already intimidated, about to be eliminated. Slap to the curb. You about to get served. An ass strike, delivering spikes and deadly force behind the jump serve. You know you about to get served. Like you know what you're up against, stressing. Can already see how it's working your nerves. Yeah, you got straight aggression until you learn your first volleyball lesson. Since I gotta put this beat in new words, listen. You about to get set it up on the left, set it up on the right. Don't think your defense is strong enough to keep us from driving in the spice. So you at least have a chance to prove a point. Overhand, underhand, we'll serve you up whatever way you like. Your defense better be all that. Don't play that net too close. Fair warning, you better fall back. We serving nothing but aces to your faces, and look forward to getting six-packed along with all that. Nothing but heavy hitters on my team. Seems every time we hit the ball, we're trying to spin it at the seams. Attacking from every angle, hope you in shape. If not, we about to show you what really being served means. Like cat and mouse, gonna have some fun with y'all. Ready to 6-4, 2 or 5-1 with y'all. We didn't come here to play dumb with y'all, but from the looks of it, like y'all came here to play some jungle ball. Your team's already intimidated, about to be eliminated, slapped to the curb. You about to get served. An ass strike, delivering spikes and deadly force behind the jump serve. You know you about to get served. Like you know what you're up against, stressing. Can already see how it's working your nerves. Yeah, you got straight aggression until you learn your first volleyball lesson. Since I gotta put this beat in new words, listen, you about to get served. Tell them the tape, if the tape could talk, it would be telling your team go ahead and take a walk. Everybody got ill verticals, jump like pole vaults. Just prepare your guard for an all-out assault. Think this pep talk already got you scared. Be it doubles or a co-ed game. Just hope you came prepared. We band down on ya. We just too much sun, like too much sun. Turning your face and your forearms red. Giving your game plan the X. Yeah, we gon' make it short and sweet. Play it like it's a practice match. Taking talking out your game as we keep blocking attacks. Talking trash, but at the same time stating facts. Keep the ball ricocheting till we decide to call it quits for ya. And show you we just too quick for ya. On the mission to spike you in the submission. Gon' hang you playing dodgeball. Yeah, that's how bad it gets for ya. It's punishment the way we ground the ball. The front line on top of things and looking down at y'all. Gon' have their own liquors clowning y'all. It's loser turn and now the rotation has come around to y'all. And now you're about to get served. Hope you've been through every drill you got. To be on top, we about to kill your shot. To where your coach can't even bear to watch this on slide. Be non-stop, no matter what kind of skills you got. Your team's already intimidated, about to be eliminated, slapped to the curb. You about to get served. An ass strike, delivering spikes and deadly force behind the jump serve. You know you about to get served. Like you know what you're up against, stressing. Can already see how it's working your nerves. Yeah, you got straight aggression until you learn your first volleyball lesson. Since I got to put this beat in new words, listen, you about to get served, 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 served. You about to get